If you need to convert a OneNote page or section into a Word document, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to export your notes from OneNote to Word step by step so you can keep editing, sharing, or printing them in a more familiar format. This is super useful if you've created meeting notes, class notes, project outlines, or research in OneNote and now want a clean Word file. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open OneNote and go to the exact page or section you want to convert. This is important because OneNote lets you choose what you export, so make sure you're on the right content before moving forward. Once you've selected the page or section, look up to the top left corner and click the File tab. This opens the Backstage menu, where OneNote keeps all of its export and save options. Now, on the left-hand sidebar, click Export. This is the tool you'll use to turn your OneNote content into another file type. Next, you'll see the export settings. Under the first option, Export Current, choose the export scope you want. If you only want the single page you're currently viewing, select Page. If you want to export everything inside the current section, choose Section. Keep in mind that a section will combine all the pages in that tab into one Word document, which is great if you want all related notes together. After that, move to the Select Format area and click Word Document, which usually appears as .xexe. This tells OneNote that you want the content converted into a Microsoft Word file. Once your scope and format are set correctly, click the Export button at the bottom of the window. OneNote will then prompt you to choose where you want to save the file. Now, pick a folder on your computer, give the file a clear name, and click Save. After that, OneNote will create the Word document for you automatically. When the export is finished, open the saved file in Word to make sure everything looks right. You should now be able to edit the content, format the text, add images, and share it just like any other Word document. And that's it. You've successfully converted OneNote to Word. It only takes a few clicks once you know where the export option is, and it can save you a lot of time when you need to reuse your notes in a different format. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.